Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install One UI Samsung Internet on your any Android device. After watch my short videos, many people ask me about this Samsung Internet, how to install this Samsung Internet on your any Android device. So guys, let me show you. First, I uninstall this Samsung Internet. Now go to Play Store, search Samsung Internet. And guys, look at this official Samsung Internet browser available on Play Store. Simply tap and install. After install, simply tap and open. Tap on continue. And wait for setup. Wait after 1 or 2 minutes for this automatic homepage setup. This setup automatic set on your Samsung Internet. After setup, look at this Samsung Internet on your Android device. Let me show you one by one all options. This is setting, home page, custom page, address bar, now layout and menu, you also custom menu. Look at this. You also use the Samsung Internet features. Look at this, background play also available on this browser. And you also set view tab. Look at this, list, stack, grid, like this. So guys, you also install this new Samsung Internet on your any Android device. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.